whether you want to pave tiles, install photos, doors, windows, or furniture carpentry, hang wallpaper, or find horizontal and vertical lines on the ceiling and floor to decorate your house, RockSeed Laser Level would be a great choice for you. The line laser is efficient, convenient, and easy to operate, devoted to making your life easy and simpler. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. For hanging wallpaper, pasting wall stickers. Since it is laser irradiation, it can be finished beautifully without leaving the dirt of the line attachment like a conventional leveler. And after pasting, the line under the wallpaper will not be seen through. Number 2. Smart Tilt Mode. When the switch is in the locked position, press the button on the top of the tool for more than 3 seconds to open the tilt mode. You can use a fixed crosshair at any angle. Number 3. For installing mirrors, shelves, and frames, with a single switch, horizontal and vertical cross lines appear simultaneously, making it possible to greatly reduce the time loss associated with conventional horizontal alignment. Number 4. For attachment of shelves, horizontal and vertical cross lines appear simultaneously, making it possible to greatly reduce the time loss associated with conventional horizontal alignment. It is very convenient for furniture installation and decoration to wall surfaces such as shelves. It is the beginning of professional life like DIY. Number 5. 2 laser sources. The cross-line laser has 2 laser sources. The laser level of the professional laser head is the more accurate. The latest version is equipped with a professional-grade laser head for adjusting horizontal, vertical laser, which is more accurate and stable than other common equipment. Number 6. Self-leveling mode and manual mode. You can set 2 modes of cross-line laser with a slide switch. Self-leveling mode, functioning and leveling and compensation range. Can be self-leveling if tilted below 4 degrees plus 1 degree. 4 degrees. If you tilt more than 4 degrees, the laser level will issue a warning. In manual mode, the self-leveling feature is disabled and the cloth is locked to use the device at any angle. Number 7. Powerful accuracy. Thanks to the powerful laser diode, the laser lines are outstandingly visible. Horizontal line accuracy. 2 mm, 10 meters single direction. Vertical line accuracy. 2 mm, 10 meters single direction. Range, 20 meters. Self-leveling inclination, 110 degrees. Number 8. 4 feet crash-proof and hand-free working. IP54 protection class, shockproof housing, provides 4 feet crash-proof, ideal for construction site work. It is also possible to attach the device using a magnetic rotation bracket or using screws for a quarter tripod mount. Provides hands-free operation. Number 9. 2 years warranty and excellent after-sale service. RockSeed not only focuses on the design and development of the line level laser, but also ensures the quality and performance of the products. Every laser level covers a 2-year warranty. In addition, the package includes 1 laser level tool, 1 canvas carry case, 2 AA batteries, 1 instruction manual, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is this laser waterproof? Answer. The line laser reaches IP54 protection grade, shock resistant, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, wear resistant, impact resistance, cold, and high temperature. This unit is really well built and works perfectly. Question number 2. Can I use this on a wall for adding horizontal stripes for painter's tape? Answer. Yes. The level laser is equipped with a professional-grade laser head for adjusting horizontal, vertical laser, which is more accurate and stable than other common equipment. It does the job. Question number 3. Can this be used for interior house leveling or for other usages? Answer. Yes, perfect for that, and it's ideal for paving tiles, installing photos, door, window, or furniture carpentry, hanging wallpaper, etc. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.